Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. Glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. The platelets in mammalian blood are responsible for the platelets, also called the thrombocytes, are a component of blood whose function is to react to bleeding from the blood vessel injury by clumping, thereby initiating a blood clot. Okay, so now let's go to the answer option. The platelets in mammalian blood are responsible for A. Transporting oxygen. Hemoglobin is the part of the red blood cell that is responsible for the transportation of oxygen. So it is not the platelets. So this answer option is incorrect. Okay, good. Option B, initiating clothing. Yes, platelet function is to initiate blood clothing and help minimize blood loss. Okay, so this answer option is correct. Good. But let's go through the remaining answer option before we conclude on this. Option C says removing carbon dioxide. Among the primary option of the red blood cell, which is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues and carbon dioxide as a waste away from the tissues back to the lungs and being exhaled out. So this is not a function of the platelets. Option D, destroying microorganisms. The part of the blood cell, which is the white blood cells, or also called the leukocytes, are responsible for destroying the invading microorganisms and cancer cells. Okay, so the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.